is blue. My favorite food are KFC and McDonald's. My favorite drink is 100 Plus. My favorite subject is art. My best friend is Nitish. My happiest moment was traveling to Legoland. When I grow up, I want to be a policeman. I love my parents because they love me too. Thank you.
Thank you